I'm gonna show you how to draw ears. If you don't know what ears are, this is an ear, and this is also ear, but not what we're going to learn today. The one I'm drawing is the detailed one. You don't always need to draw them like this, or it'll turn out like this. Before we learn to draw it, I'm gonna ask you a few questions. It's just about placement. Yeah, just placement. Is this correct? Of course not. What about this one? Not really. What? Our ears are not straight like this. It tilted back a bit. Like this. Now we know the placement. Let's start drawing the ear. First, draw the main shape. There are so many different shapes you can use. Then we need to add this three main thing. This Y shape, the outer layer, and the ear canal. The ear canal is here, not here. I'm sorry I color the wrong part. Anyway, congratulations! You are one of the few people who watch this till here.